My superstars, today we'll be making delicious vegetable sauce. This vegetable sauce is perfect for people who are on a diet. Okay, if you're looking for an easy, delicious recipe, then watch this video. This vegetable sauce can be served with yam, plantain, sweet potatoes, or Irish potato. You can eat it with anything of your choice. It's absolutely delicious. I chose to eat mine with rice. Okay, my superstars. For this recipe, we'll be using our dried fish. This is a roasted dried fish. Okay, right now I'm trying to debone the roasted fish. I want to remove all the bones to ensure that when we are eating, it doesn't get stuck to the throat, that we have an absolutely delicious eating experience. This roasted fish carries lots of tiny bones, so I really took time out to debone it so that anyone can enjoy this meal. Okay, so I'm almost done with the deboning. Next, we're going to shred it into smaller sizes. Okay, I they came out quite long and big, so I'm going to reduce it to smaller sizes so it will spread evenly in the pot. All right. After deboning my superstars, this is what we had. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and prepare our vegetables. I'll be using ugu leaf, or what's popularly known as pumpkin leaf. In Akwa Ibom State, we call this nkong. Okay, so I had washed this before now, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this into tiny sizes. I'm going to slice it into tiny size. My superstars, this is a food processor that can slice this into tiny sizes. So if you have a food processor, you can go ahead and toss this into a food processor and go ahead and have your vegetables. But if you don't, then you can slice it just the way I'm doing it. Okay, so next we are going to go ahead and cut our onions and tomatoes. Okay, this vegetable sauce is going to be rich, so we're going to slice our onions into small sizes. If you have a food processor, you can go ahead and slice this too. I'm done with the onions. Next is the tomatoes. We're going to go ahead and cut the tomato into small sizes. I continued with the process of slicing the tomatoes till I had sliced all the tomatoes in the plate. Next, my superstars, we're going to place an empty pot on fire. Ensure it's dry. When it's dry, you pour in your vegetable oil. I'll be using vegetable oil for this sauce. Okay, so that's a vegetable oil right there. Next, my superstars, when it's heated up, we're going to go ahead and start adding our onions. After adding all the onions, next we're going to add our fresh pepper. Okay, so that's our blended fresh pepper right there. Stir it in and allow it fry a little bit. Next, we're going to add our seasoning cubes so that when you add other ingredients, it will be tasty. Next, my superstars, we're going to add our fresh tomatoes. Next, my superstars, you stir it, and next you add your roasted fish. Okay, so this is our roasted fish right there. Pour it in and then stir it again so that it mixes very well. Next, you cover the pot, and when it's fully boiled, you open it up and add your vegetables. After adding the vegetables, stir it in so it can mix with other ingredients in the pot. The veggies were quite much while the pot was small, so it took quite some time to be able to stir the ingredients so it can mix properly. Alright, so we are done right here. We're going to cover it for a few minutes and then our vegetable sauce is ready. We don't want this vegetable to cook till it loses all its nutrients and then it doesn't look fresh again. We want to make it as fresh as possible. Okay, we want green leafy vegetable sauce. So after it boiled for about a minute, I turned off the heat and now I'm going to be serving this with rice. Okay, so I'm trying to plate a rice. Alright, you know, in everything, the serving matters a lot. So I'm trying to plate my rice. You're going to see how beautiful it comes out after this. Bon appetit! My superstars!